Hello folks, good afternoon. Welcome to another video. A great day today, yeah. We're officially in the red flag because of the storm coming in. And it's raining, it's wet out here. So you can see the weather. Look! Jeez, it's cold. And it's wet. Well, still wearing my shorts. So I mean the weather is just awful, very awful today. Rain this morning. And yeah, we just wake up in just pouring rain. And like I said, we are in the red flag of the storm coming in here in Lanzarote and Canary Island. I think the whole family of the island is just raining, pouring rain. So yeah, sad to say for all the tourists right now. We're still here having a great time, but we have very bad weather. I think today, tomorrow, they're gonna last for 2.5 days. I'm not quite sure, because Lanzarote is too small. Maybe they just passing by, but as I can see right now, it's 18 degrees, and yeah, a little bit wet and cold, and yeah, dull weather today. But most of the bar are healthy and busy because of the people staying indoors, not outdoors. So it's still working, still fine, but for the people that are living here or maybe having a holiday here, it's just not great, to spend a few days of this kind of weather. And I feel now the water is just chipping in, so yeah, sorry about the wind noise or something like that, but this is how it is. I bring my camera, it's a waterproof camera, that's why I bring this one, just in case rain. And we have it all. Look, the sea. Let's make a clear view of this open sea, so I can see it. So anyway, bars and restaurants are quite full. People are staying indoors, which is great. Let me show you the beach real quick. Sorry about the wind noise right now. No mic, the thing. Look, this is the weather looks like right now. Very chill. It's very dull. You can't even see about like a kilometer far, and it's cold. I know for you guys this is nothing, but for us it's a little bit way different, because of the weather changing every now and then. This is cold for us, 18 degrees. I think there's a little bit more. See, the water's pouring out right now. It's sad to the families and have kids around here, just want to have a great time, like these two family. Look at them. That's sad. Now it's raining. Now it's raining. Now it's raining. Yeah, take a little cover around here. And let's see. Don't do that. There's a pedestrian right there that you can cross one. It's raining. It's raining now. Oh man. So I just went on to Palm Bay to say hello to my my friends right there, and they just cracking inside, they're cooking inside, and they're enjoying themselves. So anyway, now it's raining. Not much actually, but it's raining. Let's see the other side. It's much better. Don't try this at home, folks. Wow, this camera is way better here when it's pouring rain like this. Awesome. Most of the people are in the shade right now, and now us is going here. It's cold. It's cold. It's a bit cold. Oh, it's raining. I do have an umbrella, by the way. Look, you came prepared. That's my Lexus. Here you go. I got my protection, so I can walk through it. By the way, Carnival is coming this weekend, so I think weekend's gonna be a very, very nice weather. They say, you know, I said in the previous weather forecast this coming week, but you'll never know. Things change. Like I saw it the other day, saw clear blue sky. Oh, look at my umbrella, it's broken. and and now it's just pouring rain. I don't really understand. Like I said, you know, we have three weather at the same time. Lanzarote, very, very, very different right now, huh? Look, half is the sunshine right there. Try to pick it up the sun a little bit, but in the other side it's just way, way gray. Look, all the mountains, you can't even see a thing. Even Puerto Ventura. Oh man, that's not great. And you walk around here, of course people don't bring their usually weather coat or something like that, because they don't even realize the weather's gonna be like this. And now it's not pouring rain, so pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Oof. Uh-oh. Baby just dropped. And the bicycle. That's fine. The helmet on it. Oh no. It's raining. It's raining. Ragas Blanca. You can escape the shade a little bit right there. And well, look how empty the bungalows is. Let's go in the view deck so you can see the real thing, you know. But most of the part is just like it's pouring rain here, and everybody's taking cover. Wow, it's not happy place anymore. Look at that. Let's see the view deck. Whew, camera is wet, but it's fine. It's waterproof seal, so I think it works well. So now we're entering the beach. Wow, look at that. No cover at all. The umbrella just broke. Look at that, broke it. At least I can cover a little bit by the splash of water coming from. Hear that? Hear how strong the wind is as well. Jesus. Oh no. Broken half. Look, I bought it in a Chinese store. Look, I'm wet right now. Look at that. It's raining. It's pouring rain. Look. Luckily I have this tiny umbrella I have, so I can still not wet at the part. The sun is just picking up right there, trying to pick it up a little bit, but it can't. And there's a dark gray sky coming here right now, and the weather is not great. Look at the sea, just pouring. Oh no, I think I'm gonna get covered now, because this umbrella is not gonna take it much longer. It's gonna be broke soon. So yeah, there you go. Still not wet. Just walk a little bit more, then we go home. It's kind of wet now. Like that. Bars and restaurants are still open for business, so if you're here right now and it's raining, just sit down there, have a coffee, have a few beers, and you will be fine. That's gonna be sure. Look, all the restaurants now are full. Yep. The weather's not great. Weather's not great. Still, this umbrella's working. Ah, that guy. That guy is awesome. Shouting in the middle of the ocean. Oh crap. The umbrella is just I don't know if useful or not useful. Sorry about that. I hope you can still see me. There you go. So I'm just recording this video today, Tuesday, March 4th. So maybe you can watch this tomorrow, 5th or the 6th of March. Now the wind is changing. I need to put this one in the front now. I'm not gonna get wet. Here we go. Like I said, you know, things around here is way different. You see, most of the bars and restaurants people are there and taking cover of this cold wind coming from the sea. Like I said, I remember when I was working in the beach bar way back 6 years ago, I think, something like that. When the weather is just like this and it's very strong wind and all this stuff, we need to close. You know, we need to close because who's gonna come in the beach bar and the weather is just like this? We're gonna take a cover a little bit. Look at the rain. It's just pouring. Right on the spot. I'm wet now, look. I'm here at the palm tree, hiding from it. Look, wow. They caught me the rain now. So strong. Right here, look. Look at that side. Luckily I have this palm tree, hiding from it. There you go. Look, the pouring rain. I hope I can close it up. Let's close it in. That's the maximum I can. Wow. It's just unbelievable. Lanzarote today. It's one pouring rain. Look, wow. Oh no. I think my house is wet. I forgot to close the window. Oh man. Look, thanks for this palm tree. I'm sitting here right now. Look. It's raining. It's pouring rain. Oh no. I'm just covering myself here because I'm gonna get wet. I'm wet now, but thanks to this tree, I feel secure a little bit. But I think inside of that arcade is much safer. I still to manage to stay here for a bit. You see the live rain pouring. Jeez. Oh no. I don't know if I can walk there or for whatever reason. Just stay here. My own 2 feet. Look. Look. You can see that. It's pouring rain. And it comes a little bit of wind as well. Oh my goodness. I'm wet now. I need to cover up a little bit. I can stay here for a long time. I'm gonna be wet. So if you're enjoying this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, folks, and coming with me this time. Oh no. Rain, rain. What happened? Wipe it up a little. There you go. I'm wet, but I'm still staying here. I don't know why I stay here, but like I said, thanks for this palm tree, I'm safe. Oh man, look. Oh man. I need to cover up. If I run from here after that establishment, I'm gonna be wet. That's for sure. If I stay here, I'll be wet as well. So, what choice I have? Look at that, man. Legend. Look at that. Camera is wet now. Look at now. See that? Everybody's gone. I stay in that first palm tree right there. I feel safe there, but I need to cover up myself as well. Look at that pouring rain. Oh, what a mess. It drops out much water. Jeez, you see how much water they put in? Oh man, too much. It's still raining and it won't stop. Look at that. It's pouring rain. It's almost raining for an hour. So folks, now I'm heading home now. I'm pretty wet. Look at my shoes. You know, I cross every part of the avenida. It's just so much water. I can't even, you know, walk on it. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Look at the water, folks. Look at the ocean. Look at the beach. Turn brown because of the high waters that's coming from the mountains. It's heading here. Look at that. See that? It's brown. And now I'm shaking because I'm cold. So folks, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs. I hope you enjoyed this little wet journey that we do. And if you do like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Folks, thank you for watching and enjoying all the vlogs. Let's have this channel make it to the 10,000 subscribers at the end of the year. And I'll see you in the next episode. So I'm shaking now. I'm cold. See ya. Bye bye. And stay safe, folks. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! What a rain. What a pouring rain. Look how much water is coming here, guys. Look at that. Oh man. Everything's jammed with the water now. Look at the ocean turns to brown. How many waters were pouring in? Look, everybody's stuck. Me too, I'm stuck. I'm stuck here. Look at the water. Look at that.